Yeah, matte finish. That if that's what it's pronounced, then again it's a yes. I drank water because we are going to go detail. We are going to dig details of this moisturizer, Neutrogena's oil-free moisturizer for combination skin, so that I don't get thirsty afterwards. That's why I drank water. If you want to know a really very detailed structure, then you are in the right video, guys. So guys, please support my channel. I will continue doing this kind of reviews. There are thousands and thousands of skincare or makeup outside, in the market, and people want to know about it. I am here to test out those products, and give you a really honest opinion on it without being any kind of bias. So guys, I need your support. Please subscribe to my channel, support me, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification, and yes, of course, comment, which I actually always tell you guys. This is Neutrogena's oil-free moisturizer for combination skin. It is alcohol-free, fragrance-free, which is, yes guys, if you're thinking about its fragrance or does it contains alcohol, then no, it doesn't contain any kind of alcohol, and it is actually fragrance free, which is a very plus point. Plus, it is not comedogenic. If you don't know what is the meaning of non-comedogenic creams, then I should say you that this means that this cream won't clog any kind of pores. Okay, so you are free to use it, and it also moisturizes dry areas and controls shine in oily areas. Moisturizes dry areas, yes, of course, it's a moisturizer, it will moisturize, and control shine in oily areas. If you can see, then I am actually wearing I have applied this moisturizer. And one more thing about this moisturizer is that it really gets absorbed very quickly. Like, you are applying this moisturizer and it's like vanished in your skin. Yes, I feel what I have applied. So I'm telling you, I just applied it, and it was like vanished. It gets absorbed so well, guys. That's what I like the most about this sunscreen, this moisturizer, is that, sorry for my mistake, is that it really gets absorbed in the skin very fast, very quick. You don't have to apply you don't have to wait for its absorption to apply the next layer of sunscreen or makeup products, whatever. It really gets absorbed very fast, and it also doesn't shine. Yeah, it doesn't shine. It is actually for combination skin. If you are an oily skin, don't go for it. If you have a dry skin, then yes, you can go for it, because it's a very lightweight moisturizer, guys. Yes, it's very lightweight, and it's non-greasy, and this is also true, guys. It is non-greasy. That's what I like about it. Skin feels softer and smoother. I'm not very sure about it, because my skin is actually soft. Yes, I mean, a moisturizer which will give you softness and smoothness, I don't think so that it gives, because it's just a moisturizer which actually moisturizes your skin. That's it. Yeah, matte finish. That if that's what it's pronounced, then again it's a moisturizer. How can it give you matte finish? It doesn't give any kind of matte finish. If you are seeing, I'm not wearing any kind of makeup or anything. There's no matte finish, so it doesn't give any matte finish. It's oil free. Yes, it's oil free. Yes, it's lightweight. One pump. It's written that use one pump and apply all over the face and neck. As I have already said, you don't have one pump. Half pump is enough. Okay, moving on to the most important part of a moisturizer or any kind of skincare product or any product is the ingredients. It has sterile alcohol. Now, the first thing, if you alcohol, oh my god, it contains alcohol. No, it is sterile alcohol, which is actually not a proper alcohol, which we actually think. It's not ethanol or propanol. It's sterile alcohol, which is actually good. Again, it has methyl paraben. We think that paraben is bad. This methyl paraben is actually used as preservatives in skincare products. So it's not bad, okay? It's good in, because if you see, then methyl parabens are used as skincare preservatives. So methyl paraben, okay, the ingredients are also okay. It's chemicals, all kind of it has no natural ingredient. Let me tell you, if you're looking for a natural product which has all kind of natural ingredients, then this is not. It has just water. Yes, that's it, which is actually a natural ingredient, I must say. So have I showed you the bottle? It's weight, like it looks like it contains 118 milliliter because it has something. It has this weird pump. That's how it looks. For a drugstore moisturizer of a Neutrogena brand, then again this moisturizer is great. So it also contains all kind of ingredients, which I think is very good, because tocopherol, um, then glycerine, then sterile alcohol, these are pretty good. So that this product is actually will not clog your pores, okay? Won't clog your pores, which is actually very good for your acne. If you have a acne breakout or any kind of thing, acne problem or pimple problem, then you can go for, and you're looking for a moisturizer, then you can go for this moisturizer, because when I was suffering from acne, I used this moisturizer. So, and plus it's non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores, which will help you in your breakout. If you're looking for an oil-free moisturizer in the brand Neutrogena's, then you can go for it. It's good. It, again, one more thing, guys. If you are thinking that it will give you a very smooth, very smooth skin, then moisturizer a smooth skin, guys. If you know, carry on with your skincare routine very properly and very nicely, then you will obviously get a smooth skin, guys. So don't just depend on this moisturizer to get a smooth skin, okay? Yeah, guys, that was all for today. Please support my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and please comment in the comment section how do you feel about this moisturizer, because you know, I can share that with the world. I can make, you know, I can actually read out your views on this product with your name, guys. So yeah, and yeah, of course, don't forget that the next product will be Globus Remedies Salicylic Acid Face Wash. Yeah. Till then, bye bye.